a.m. is all about the day-to-day activities in the Nigerian political space, views of political actors from various political parties on political process, views of labor leaders, and most importantly, your views. Views of the common Nigerian. Tune in to EBEONADI 103.5 FM or you join online via mixlr.com/gistfm every Monday and Saturday. What are your political views? Keep a date.
Yes, the burial of Senator Ifeanyi Ubah brought the entire political actors in Nigeria to Nnewi, Anambra State, his hometown, where he was laid to rest yesterday. At the same time, reactions continue to trail the arrest of self-acclaimed leader of IPOB, Simon Ekpa, and who Senator Ifeanyi Ubah, before his demise, warned about Monday sit at home. Good morning and welcome to Political Views on Ebonade 103.5 FM. I am Martin Ifeanyi Shuku Ekezie. As we speak, the possibility of Simon Ekpa's extradition to Nigeria remains a debate in our political space and the social media space as well. On this and more will be the cause of our discussion on the particular program of political views on Ebon at the 103.5 FM. A lot is happening, on our political space this morning. Let me bring you up to speed on the happenings. The headlines. Senator Ifeanyi Ubah laid to rest in hometown. Opeboro accuses Obaseki of secret recruitment. Carlo harps on importance of state lawmakers in constitution. Tinubu writes Senate to confirm Oluyede as a chief of army staff. Enugu lawmakers hold public hearing on water resources bill. Soludo presents 2025 budget of 606.9 billion naira. Rivers crisis court reserves judgment in life separate appeals. Rivers crisis court reserves judgment in 5 separate appeals. Ohaneze Ndị Igbo urged to intervene in continued detention. Edo government declares over 200 vehicles missing. More reactions trails Simon Ekpa's arrest in Finland. Maintain positive outlook amid the nation's challenges. NOA urges youth. Now, details. The first story we have for you this morning on the political views on EBEONADI103.5FM is Senator Ifeanyi Ubah laid to rest in hometown. Now, the senator who represented Anambra South Senatorial District at the National Assembly, Ifeanyi Ubah, was laid to rest yesterday in his hometown, Otolo Nnewi, in Anambra State. Mr. Ubah, who was re-elected to the 10th Senate under the Young Progressive Party, died in London on July 27. Governor Charles Soludo, who shared the photos of the funeral, according to newsmen, paid tribute, saying, "Today I was in Nnewi to pay my last respect to the late Senator Ifeanyi Ubah. He was more than a senator. He was a younger brother and a friend, always brimming with life and enthusiasm. His untimely departure serves as a powerful reminder of life's fleeting nature. May his gentle soul rest in peace." Dignitaries, including the Labour Party presidential candidate Peter Obi, Senator Ojo Sokalo of Abia North, former Senate President Bukola Saraki, and Senator Victor Ume of Anambra State, attended the funeral. Still on the stories making the headlines, making round our political space this morning, Opeboro accuses Obaseki of secret recruitment, suspends civil service hiring. Edo State Governor Senator Monday Opeboro has approved the suspension of recruitment into the state civil service until further notice. Opeboro disclosed this in a statement signed by his chief press secretary, Fred Itua, disclosed on Friday. According to the statement, Opeboro has also ordered a comprehensive review of all recruitment exercises carried out by the